Hundreds of Jamaicans continue to support the vaccination blitz across the island. In St. Catherine in particular, over 1,500 people were vaccinated today. But as you hear in this report from Javon Keys, there was chaos at one vaccination site in St. Andrew this morning.
Jamaicans emancipating themselves from the coronavirus by getting their COVID-19 vaccine on day 2 of the Islandwide Blitz exercise at the Hart Academy in Portmore, St. Catherine, a smooth and organized process. St. Catherine East Central Member of Parliament Alando Terrelong is pleased.
We literally have hundreds of persons here today who have come out in Portmore to get their vaccination, and I am very, very happy. I'm seeing lots of my constituents as well, and listen, I'm the proudest member of Parliament this morning.
The Ministry of Health has been concerned about the number of young people being infected with COVID-19. With the entertainment sector reopened and an increase in social gatherings, they continue to be at high risk of contracting the virus and could possibly infect others who are more vulnerable. However, Mr. Terrelong is satisfied with the number of young people who got vaccinated today.
What the science has shown is that the Delta variant, it is affecting a lot of our young people. All right, I mean, we have one young man, 30 years old, who passed away, condolences to him and his family. We have other young persons who are on ventilators inside the hospital right now. So I want to big up the young people who've come out to get their vaccination, and also our seniors who continue to come out to support the vaccine drive. Listen, thank you for trusting the science.
He continues to encourage others to get the jab.
We want Jamaica to open up, but to do so, we all need to get vaccinated. We all need to get vaccinated. And persons can't just say, well, I don't want to get vaccinated, I'm going to wear my mask. Wearing your mask is not enough. It's not enough because the more people remain unvaccinated, the more the virus mutates. That is what the science is showing us. So today is the Delta, tomorrow will be another variation, next week another variation, as long as people stop don't want to get vaccinated.
Meanwhile, there was chaos at the St. Joseph's Hospital's vaccine site in St. Andrew this morning. Videos circulating on social media show crowds gathered at the entrance of the facility. Citizens complained that the appointment system was ignored. They argue that a number system was instead used, which led to confusion and frustration. Some persons said they were forced to relocate to the National Arena. Javon Keys, TVJ News.